Get freedom from the cord, even for those demanding applications where you've always relied on a corded Recipro saw. The 18-volt X2 LXT Lithium-Ion 36-volt brushless Recipro saw. It's powered by two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, so you get 36-volt power and runtime, but without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. Makita created an innovative vertical crank design, engineered for less blade deflection, less vibration, and more efficient cutting. It has an efficient brushless motor with 2 speed settings and a variable speed trigger, so you can set the speed to the application. With a long 1 1/4 inch stroke length and large 2-finger variable speed trigger, this tool provides increased cutting efficiency and operator convenience. And a toolless blade change system allows for faster blade changes. The Makita brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. The XRJ06M features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.